mine.
You got so startled.
Alright, boys, you already know. I love that thing.
Hi, Marky!
Pops go crazy now.
I know, dude. Oh my god.
You're covering your ear?
Did you see that guy trying to hit us?
No.
That was a pretty. I even messed it up my shift too, bro. If I didn't mess up my shift, we would have been good.
So loud.
I love that freaking sound, bro. I love freaking Hellcat sounds, bro. Fuck. So I gotta have one, bro. That crap is loud.
That's good. Was that you?
Hey, look,
listening
Dex,
to the
Dex.
Russian
Hey,
song?
did you see that guy trying to hit us though? Huh? Did you see that guy trying to hit us? Who? Like way back there, like from LA Fitness. Oh.
I know I tried.
Yeah. This setup is so clean. M5, M8. Yo. Dude, I love the Hellcat noise, bro. Love that crap. I was saying it didn't want to pop.
Oh, I thought you told me to pop.
No, well, you also too.
Bro, I heard it's a cup. I shit myself. I that shit straight into comfort, bro.
What's the wire going to your head?
A charging cable for 1%. Turn your headlights on, by the way.
Oh yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Probably, yeah.
All right,
Screen.
bro. Yeah.
That's so funny. A wire going to his head.
Oh, dude, that sucks. I can't believe that's a stock exhaust with downpipes. It's still unreal.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm in fourth gear poppy. Right now. Wow, popping all the time. It's the two is stopping from popping right now.
Now it's popping so much.
I know, now it stopped.
I need intakes.
Why, you can hear the spools?
Oh, yeah. But also, high end, like after we got in Mexico, you started pulling so much harder than me.
I know, it's weird.
It was so fucking sick.
And I messed up my shifts too,
You
bro.
know what it said?
Our shifts sound exactly the same. It's just funny to hear from the car. We're just farting out of our car. Oh my gosh. This new exhaust sounds so good.
I know it's a vibe.
I think it's a
So fun.
I don't have another. I need to get a GoPro set up on Ken.
Yeah, seriously. It's a vibe.
Get a little bit of it, and definitely record inside the car, like after I already. I gotta get down in second gear. It sounds so much better. But I just love how it pops so good in like fourth gear. Like once I get it to pop, this is a perfect reason why I need a tune. Like bro, it claps so perfectly now. Oh my goodness, it claps perfectly now. Like I don't know what else. Now that I'm fully straight pipe, I'm happy. And I think the next step is tune. That's the next step. For sure. Oh, dude. Sounds so good. Do you see now when it like shifts and does that whatever at the end? I think it's like the turbo is doing that noise too. I think the turbo is just helping making that noise. See that once I shift it and I let go of the gas, it sounds so fudging juicy, bro. Oh, dude. as this M5 goes. I don't know, man. I love this color. I kind of love how I kept it simple. The next goal definitely is getting a wrap, but just look at the way it's so cleaned up now, dude. And it sounds so good in idle. Like, dude, it did not sound that good before. There was just too many mufflers. Those two mufflers, like, just made it sound like low-key just dookie. It was nerfed when it had the mufflers. Like, obviously it sounded really good because it was a deeper tone and stuff, but it just wasn't as raw.